Namaste అండి, నా పేరు నరేష్. వెల్కమ్ టు పిఎన్కే లా తెలుగు ఛానల్. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ మ్యాథ్ ట్రిక్స్ calculations, very useful for your all competitive exams, staff selection commission, SSC, banks, railways and other. Let's start the trick with let's start. Sum of the digits is 10, right side only. See here, right side digit we have 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. And you must have left side the same number. See, right side we have 6 and 4. 6 plus 4, that is 10. And left side you have 11. Same numbers. Here also. Right side you have the addition is 10. And left side you have 13 and 13. This is the trick here. Everyone knows this trick, but next trick is advanced. So let's see this trick first. 4 and 6. 4 into 6, 24. Here you have to write, we have 24, and in the next step you have to multiply 6 with the next number. That is 6 into 6 plus 1, that is 6 into 7, that is 42. Here is 42. Next example, you have 8 plus 2, 10, 8 to 16, and you have to multiply 3 with the next number. 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 3 into 4, that is 12. Here is your 12. Next example, 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 into 4, 24. And you have to multiply 9 with the next number, that is 9 into 10, 90. Here is 90. Next example, 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. You can multiply 5 into 5, 25, and multiply the 13 with the next number, that is 14. 13 into 14, we get 182. Here is 182. You can do this with magic with 5 number. You can find the description, the links for magic with the 5 calculation. Right? Let's see the advanced trick. Sum of the digits is 10. Sum of the digits is 10. Left side only. See this? Left side you will find 10. 4 plus 6 you will find 10. And right side you have the same number. You must have the same number. Here also. Left side you can find 9 plus 1 is 10. And right side you have the same number. Left side must be 10. 8 plus 2, that is 10, and right side the same number, 0505. So let's start the trick. Here trick is, you have 46 left side. Assume it's a 40s, and if you have 40s, you have to subtract that number with the 16. How you will get 16? I will tell you. See, you have 92. Take it as a 90s. If you have 90s, you have to subtract it with the 81. How you will get? Just multiply the same number, 90s into 9 divided by 10. You will get 81. See here, you have left side 114. Assume it's in hundreds. You have hundreds, subtract it the number with 10. How you will get 10? Multiply with 1 and divide it by 10. Left side you have 327. Take it as a 300s. You have 300s. 90 you have to minus. How you will get 90? Multiply 300 with 3. Divide by 10. You will get 90s. So let's see the trick. 6 into 6. 6 into 6. 36. You have to write 36. Okay, 6 into 6, 36. You have to write 36. Now you have 46. You have to subtract it with 16. How much you will get? 0 and 3. 30 you get. Here is your 30. Finish. Let's see the next example. You have 2 and 2. Multiply 2 into 2. You get only 4. But we are dealing with 2-digit numbers. So you have to keep it 2-digit numbers. That's why we kept 0 before it. And you have 92. That means 90s. You have to minus it with 81. How much you will get? 1 and 1. 11 you will get. Here is your 11. Let's see another example. You have 14 right side. 14 into 14 how much? 196. That's why we wrote 196. And here 114 means hundreds. You have to minus it with 10. You will get how much? 4 and 1 0. 104 you get. Here is your 104. See, let's example. You have 5 and 5. Multiply 5 with 5, 25. But 3 digits you have to enter. So that's why we are at 0 before 25. And now subtract with 40. Minus 5 and 61, 65. How you will get 40? Assume you have 205. Assume as a 200s. You have to minus it with 40. How you will get 40? 200s into 2. Same number you have to multiply. 200s into 2 divided by 10. You will get 40. See, 27 you have 27 into 27, 727. Keep it as it is. And you have 327. Assume it's a 300s. And multiply with 3 divided by 10. You get how much? 90s. 90. So subtract the same number with the 90. You get the answer 7 and 3 and 2. 327. 237, right? Next example. This is important. You can keep it star mark. So we have right side 64 and 64. You can multiply 64 into 64. How much you will get? 4096. 4096. 4 digits you got, but you have to enter here only 3 digits. We are dealing with a 3-digit number. You have to enter 3 and keep 096 there, and from 4096 you keep it 4 at the right side for carry forward value. See, we have 464, that means 400s into 4 divided by 10, you get how much? 160. So subtract 464 with 160, how much you will get? 4 and 0 and 3, 304 you get, and add that with the carry forward number 304 plus 4, you get how much? 308. Just pause the video and revise the video, you will get the trick. Next example, you have 28 and 28, multiply 28 784. 28 into 28, you get 784. We can write this. In left side we have 528. Assume 500s into 5, same number, divided by 10, you get 250. So subtract that number with 250. How much you will get? 8 and 7 and 4 minus 2, 278 you get. Here is your 278. Let's see next example. You have 64 and 64. Already we know 64 and 64 4096, but we write only 3-digit number, that is 4096, and keep 4 as a carry forward number. Now we have 764, means we have to minus it with 490. 764 minus 490, how much you will get? 4 and 7 and 6 minus 4, 274 you get. You get 274, right? 274, add the 274 with the carry forward number, you will get 278. Here is your 278. Next value, we have 24 and 24, multiply 24 into 24, you get 576, and we have 824, means 800s, right? So you have to subtract it with 640. So 824 minus 640, how much you will get? 4 and 8 and 7 minus 6, 184. So here is 184. Simple, need not to multiply, just subtract, that's it. 25 and 25, you have to multiply, 625 you will get, and we have 925, means 900s, multiply with the same number 9 divided by 10, you will get how much? 810, right? Subtract with the 810, subtract 925 with the 810, you get the answer 5, 1 and 1, 115. So here is 115. So this is very advanced trick, and let's 3 words to learn. From our video you will get 3 words to improve your vocabulary. Just see, abetter, 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 one who helps, అంటే సహాయం చేసేవాడిని, సహాయకుడిని మనం abetter అంటారు, like close friend. Scornful, SCORNFUL, scornful means expressing extreme contempt. కంటెంప్ట్ అంటే ధిక్కారణ అంటారు కదా, తిరస్కారాన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడాన్ని స్కార్న్ఫుల్ అంటారు. ఒప్పుకోకపోవడాన్ని స్కాన్ఫుల్, ఓకే, తిరస్కరించడం, వ్యతిరేకించడం. డిప్లోరబుల్, డిఈపిఎల్ఓఆర్ఏబిఎల్, డిప్లోరబుల్ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ వెరీ పూర్ కండిషన్, చాలా దురదృష్టకర పరిస్థితి, దుస్థితిని మనం డిప్లోరబుల్ అంటారన్నమాట. రైట్, ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండ్ షేర్ ఇట్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. It's very useful for your friends also. Thank you one and all.